Hello, course creators and teachers. Welcome back to this short video tutorial on our Moodle LMS. And this video tutorial, magfo-focus naman po tayo sa course importation. So this will help us in our efforts, in our time in creating another course page for other sections na pareho pong subject or course contents yung ituturo natin. So basically parang i-duplicate natin yung yung course page na to. Okay, so para hindi ka na ulit mag-manual na parang copy paste from one course page to another. So, but if you have other ways to make it faster po, you can also share it. And thank you. So first, of course, you need to create a blank. Depende po sa inyo, no? Kung gusto nyo, meron ka na dating course page, pero itong video tutorial na to and how I usually do it is I create a blank course for a particular subject. Then kapag meron na, click lang natin ulit yung course management settings. Then dito sa my course settings, click lang po yung import. Okay, then hanapin natin yung gusto nating i-duplicate or import na na course page. Okay, so mapupunta yung contents dito, depende kung ano yung mga gusto nating piliin or i-duplicate or import from that page to this page. So let me see if pwede yung code na nilagay ko. Let me check. NCM 100-I. Then click lang natin yung search. Okay, so ito yun. Pwede rin naman pong you type in the keywords. So sa akin, kasi galing sa ibang teacher to, sa akin ito po TFN-K. Yan. So short name pala ang hinahanap dapat. So alam mo dapat yung short name or any description of the course that you want to copy. Then click mo lang po yun, then continue. Then dito na po, no, you need to check and check. Okay? Yung mga gusto nating copy or i-duplicate or import dun sa magiging bagong page natin. So for example lang, for this tutorial, nagtatanggal ako ng mga iba. Yeah. Halimbawa lang po to. Yan. So then you can click next, or kung medyo familiar ka na sa laman, you can go to the jump to the final step. So halimbawa, okay na ako dito. Click lang yung next. Then scroll mo lang. Parang pinapa-review lang sa iyo ng LMS yung yung contents na gusto mong i-duplicate tsaka hindi duplicate. Then perform import. Then mabilis lang naman po. Depende again sa laman ng previous po na or page you are importing. Okay, then there's a notification, import complete, click continue to return to the course. So ito yung present course. Then click mo lang po yan. Okay, may laman na. So that's it. Okay, so nakasave ka ng pag-duplicate ng by manually copy pasting. And so I hope this helps you in your preparation po for the coming semesters or school years po. Thank you so much.